Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making a tier tray, vanity tray, using these gorgeous mirror blocks, Bling mirror. Well, they're candle holders, but I got them at the Dollarama for only $2. They're so beautiful, so I got a couple of these. We have this blingy sides. I love them, and they're really thick. They're $2 each, and I got a couple of these ones. I also got this gorgeous decor piece from the Dollar Tree. Well, it's actually from the Dollarama, $1.25. Fix-all glue. Some more like giant diamond pieces. I think I'm going to use them. Not too sure, but I'm going to have them on the side. These candle holders from the Dollar Tree. And this lovely little birdie. So gorgeous. From the Dollarama, it was $1.25. I'm also using this LED light that I got. I blinged around the edges and I added some gemstones around the side. Okay, so you guys, I feel like I haven't done a video in a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know that the giveaway winner will be announced at the end of this video. So don't forget to stick around towards the end to know who's gonna win my giveaway. I don't know for sure what I'm doing, what I'm giving away yet, but I don't know. I have no idea. But we'll talk about it when I announce who's going to be the winner. Okay, so I'm also going to be using some foam board. Just so I can apply these on the edge to be a little bit more sturdy. What can be more sturdy than this? But I just want to add it to the foam board. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start this video, you guys. I'm so excited to be filming again. So excited. It's been such a long time I haven't filmed a video. I do have a couple of videos, but I feel like they're like so old. These onto the foam board. So guys, this is the finished product. I absolutely love it. You can put your jewelry on here. You can put brushes. You can put whatever you want. But look how cool this is. I love it. I love these pieces here. I'm going to get a couple more. I have a couple more ideas that I'd like to do with them. But I love them, and they turn out so well. I got this little plant from IKEA for $1, you guys. It's so cute. I just blinged it up and I added some of these gems at the top. But I will be adding my brushes on here. I will be putting a cup here to put my brushes and stuff. And I can put this little birdie at the bottom here. So many little ideas. It's so cute. I didn't want to leave it out because it's just matches everything with the whole silverish or blingish or glamish look. And you can just push it like right like this and back. And when you want to change the battery, you just twist it off. It's just glue stick, it will just come off, and then you could just put it back on. I didn't put that much glue on there, so it's easy to like just take it off and stuff. But it's really pretty and I like it, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And the giveaway winner will be, please go ahead and contact me within 48 hours and we can discuss whatever you'd like me to send you. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to check out my other videos. You guys are amazing. I will see you in my next video. You guys, thanks so much. Bye guys. It feels so good to be back. Bye.